In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage surveys using Hubspot. Whether you're gathering customer feedback, measuring satisfaction, or simply conducting research, HubSpot provides a comprehensive suite of tools to help you achieve your goals seamlessly. Let's dive into the process, ensuring you're equipped to succeed from start to finish. First, you need to log into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar. This is your navigation hub for all things HubSpot. Look for the option labeled Feedback. Clicking here will open up a drop-down menu where you'll select Surveys. This is your starting point for creating and managing surveys. Once you're in the Survey section, you'll see a button titled Create Survey. Click on this to begin crafting your survey. HubSpot offers a variety of survey types to meet diverse needs. You can choose from customer satisfaction surveys, Net Promoter Score, commonly known as NPS, or create a custom survey tailored to your unique requirements. Selecting the right type will help you capture the precise information you're interested in. With the survey type selected, it's time to delve into adding questions and designing the look and feel of your survey. This is where your creativity comes into play. Think about the kind of questions that will elicit the most insightful responses from your recipients. You might use multiple choice questions, open-ended queries, or scales. As you build your questions, HubSpot's interface will allow you to drag and drop and organize them seamlessly. You'll also have tools to customize the design, giving your survey a professional touch that aligns with your brand's style and tone. Now, let's move on to setting up who will receive your survey. Identifying the right audience is crucial for gathering meaningful data. Inside HubSpot, you have the flexibility to define recipient lists based on your existing contact properties. You can also decide on your distribution method, which is just as important. You might opt to send via email or generate a unique link to share elsewhere. Each method has its advantages, so choose depending on how you think will best reach your target audience. With everything set, it's time to launch your survey. This is where your preparation pays off. Hit the launch button confidently, knowing you've set everything up just right. Now, it's important to monitor the responses as they come in. HubSpot offers robust analytics tools to help you track response rates, analyze question-specific data, and ultimately gain deeper insights into your audience's feedback. To wrap things up, remember that analyzing the data you collect is as crucial as the process of survey creation itself. Use the analytics to refine your business strategies and improve customer satisfaction. By following these steps, you'll find HubSpot surveys to be a powerful component in your feedback toolkit. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more on our channel for additional tips and guidance on leveraging technology for your business needs.